videos. Beyond the normal vlogs, how-to tutorials on how to make money videos, there are other weird videos as well. And here are 10 weird YouTube niches that you didn't know about. Microscopic exploration. These are videos that explore everyday objects under a microscope, revealing hidden details invisible to the naked eye. Topics can range from food, insects, fabrics, even human skin. The appeal is that it satisfies curiosity and appeals to the science enthusiasts out there. Extreme minimalism, showcasing individuals who live with the bare minimum of possessions, but exploring their philosophy, challenges, and the benefits of minimalist lifestyles. It's fascinating to watch viewers intrigued by unconventional living experiences. Unboxing vintage technology. Now, unboxing videos have been around for years, but opening and reviewing sealed or preserved technology from decades ago, such as old gaming consoles, gadgets, and electronics, triggers that nostalgia. The nostalgia for people that lived through the experience, and curiosity for the technology that you may have missed and how it's evolved over time. Oddly specific repairs. These are tutorials or entertainment videos focused on repairing niche or unusual items, like antique musical instruments, vintage typewriters, or broken porcelain dolls. The intrigue is that the craftsman here has a very unique skill that may have disappeared over time, or involves an element of problem solving. How would they have done this in the past, or how can I do it now? Because we can't remember how they used to do it. Food science experiments. Concocting bizarre food experiments, like what happens if you cook meat in a dishwasher or create a 100-layer lasagna. My favourite one is all those channels that kind of cure meat in weird ways or cook it after being dry-aged for 5 years or whatever it happens to be. It combines a level of science with some food entertainment. It's also kind of train wreck rubbernecking, where you're like, are they going to hate it? Are they going to love it? I wonder what happens now. Surreal ASMR. Producing surreal or absurd ASMR content such as whispering nonsensical phrases, using unusual objects for sounds, or creating bizarre role plays. It's a mix of humour with relaxation. It dives into that world where people are just finding ways to either turn off their brain, distract themselves. I know for me, with ADHD, these kind of things can just help me focus on the things that I need to, whilst distracting my brain with things that it doesn't need to pay attention to, all at the same time. Virtual train rides. YouTubers go out of their way to record long, uninterrupted videos of scenic train rides from drivers' or passengers' perspective, often set to calming music or ambient sounds. These travels help give kind of voyeuristic views of the world. Travel enthusiasts and relaxation seekers can experience the travel through other people. You can experience other worlds. You can watch other places from the comfort of your own home. Pet influencer management. Teaching people how to turn their pets into social media stars, from content creation to securing sponsorships. This attracts pet lovers and entrepreneurial minds. Maybe you're not confident enough to be on social media, but your pet is fantastic. Or maybe you've got such an entertaining pet that you just have to get the most out of it. At worst case scenario, you can also sit there and just watch it, because it's kind of weird to hear people manage their pets as income. Mundane job documentaries. These document the day-to-day activities of people with seemingly boring or obscure jobs, like sewer inspectors, factory workers, or lighthouse keepers. This provides insights into lives and careers of people that you'd never truly think about. It's that curiosity that creeps into your mind. I wonder how that's done. Or once again, how it's made. There are TV programs out there that will teach you how people make gloves or footballs. Speedrunning life hacks. These attempt to complete everyday tasks as quickly and effectively as possible with humorous commentary and unconventional methods. It combines humour, creativity, and practical advice. At the end of the day, we've all seen these life hacks, so why not add a twist to them? After all, not everybody can just be vloggers. It gets a bit boring. So, if you need ideas on the best niches to dive into, here are some of the best paying niches on YouTube.